you can create a campaign on Vira. So on your HubSpot contacts, click on any contact, navigate to the Vira CRM card and click on dashboard. Now click on the hamburger menu and you can see in the menu items campaigns, click on campaigns. Now what you essentially can do is you can create a campaign. So you have to get your WhatsApp message templates approved from Meta, and then you will be able to see all those approved messages here, templates here. And you can also create HubSpot lists, and you will be able to view those lists here. So you can run those WhatsApp templates on this on these HubSpot lists. Now here you can essentially see the number of contacts that are enrolled and how many of those contacts were processed, to how many of those contacts was it sent, or were there any failed message campaigns, when was it scheduled for, when was this last processed. You can also additionally disable or enable your campaigns from here by toggling on this button. And to view the detailed performance of the campaigns that you're running, you can simply click on report. So now we will take a look at how you can view reports using Vira. So when you come to your HubSpot contacts, click on any contact. On the right side, navigate to the Vira CRM card and click on dashboard. Once you enter the Vira dashboard, click on the hamburger menu and click on report. Once you open report, you can see a dashboard as such. Here you can see or set a duration and check how many campaigns you ran in that particular duration. So I'm just going to set this year. As you can see, the number of campaigns that were run in this year were 31. The number of messages that were sent and delivered were 230 and 226 respectively. The number of messages that were read, there is also a delivered rate and read rate of that as well. You can also see the contacts who became opportunities or who became a deal. And also here, if you go down, you can see a campaign wise performance. So you can basically compare campaigns, which campaigns got you more opportunity or more deals. So that all can be analyzed here. You can also download this report by clicking on this button. So that is how you can view reports using Vira.